This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Jill Crinion. Looking for just the right home? His 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with a split floor plan could just be the one you are looking for. Large living room with double tray ceiling. Kitchen has granite countertops, custom cabinets, a breakfast bar and breakfast area that opens to the living room. Formal dining room. Spacious owner's suite with 2 walk-in closets. In the garage you will find a one-of-a-kind man or woman cave. This home sits on 1 acre, with a privacy-fenced backyard, shed, playhouse, and covered back patio great for family gatherings. Call Jill Crinion 337-348-2652 with Century 21 Delia Realty Group today. For more information,